wanted to share with you my chainsaw field kit. It's some gear I take with me to get the job done and to do some basic maintenance. I made this kit about 1.5 years ago, but recently made it lighter. Last year I was able to tow this kit in a wooden box in my sleigh behind my snowmobile, but this year I'm hauling everything on foot, so I have to be more weight conscious. I found this old toolbox at a flea market during the summer, and all my tools fit in here nicely, so let's have a look. I have some paperwork on chainsaw sharpening, felling, and bucking. You know, my chainsaw work is very seasonal, so I go long periods of time without actually using a chainsaw. So it's nice to have something to refer to if I need. I have some safety gloves. They're impact resistant and high vis. And I probably should wear these more often than I do. A wedge. This is really good for felling and bucking. Help keep your bar from binding. We have a paintbrush here. It's really good for cleaning around the area where you add the bar oil and your gas. You don't want to get any sawdust or wood chips in your bar oil. Some tinted safety glasses. I prefer to have a face shield, but can't afford one right now. I have some basic sharpening tools. I have a round file with a guide. I have a flat file as well for my raker gauge. And this handle comes off and you can put it on your round file if you need. Also my raker gauge. Another important tool for sharpening in the field is a Stub Vise. I made this myself. You hammer this into a stump and you clamp your bar in the vise, keeps your saw nice and stable. Some packages of earplugs. Another important tool, this is a scrunch for adjusting your chain tension, and this fits all the screws and bolts on my saw. Multi-bit screwdriver. Needle nose pliers and regular pliers. Tape measure. Spark plug wrench. I should probably have an extra spark plug. And this pry bar just happened to fit in there. Another recent addition to my field kit is my dad's tool pouch. I plan on hanging a hatchet from this loop here for hammering wedges. And I also have a couple of pockets for storage as well. No kit would be complete without some fuel and some bar oil. I also have a new chainsaw to replace my old Craftsman that my dad gave me. This is a late Christmas gift from my mom, and I'm very thankful for that. I found the easiest way to carry my chainsaw, fuel, bar oil, and my most important tools for my kit is in this duffel bag. The reason why I don't drag it on a toboggan is the terrain out there is so extreme. Steep hills, thick brush, deadfall, and I'd probably damage my saw. For those of you who aren't familiar with my channel, I run a winter camp deep in the woods that depends on firewood. I have a wood stove that I cook on and heat my shelter with, so I need a continuous supply of firewood in our cold climate. And to save some weight, I keep my chaps and extra fuel out at my winter camp.